Today we are building and automating AI tools using Google AI Studio. And if you've not come across this, Google AI Studio's new update is wild. It's unbelievably powerful. In fact, I actually came up with the title for this video using Google AI Studio. I'm going to show you exactly how it works step by step, how to create your own tools. And if you have any requests, you want me to build something for you as we're going on live, feel free to ask me. And additionally, if you have any questions as we go on as well, feel free to ask too. That's what I'm here for, my friends. So you can see, for example, here we've got Google AI Studio. And what I was planning to do today is just sort of build out some tools that I need to build live on this live stream, right? And then also, if you have questions as we go along, feel free to ask. That's what we're here for. So, what I want to do essentially, and this is going to be an interesting task actually, is we are going to use Google AI Studio to automate, first of all, the thumbnail for this video. All right. So, how are we going to do that? Let me show you. So, we're going to go down here and we're going to find the generator for, in fact, I'm just going to go straight to Google Gemini to do this. And what we're going to do, there we go. We've got YouTube thumbnail generator. Let me find this. I'm going to go to the YouTube thumbnail generator, like you can see, and then we can type in what we want, right? So for example, let's say we're doing a live stream about Google AI Studio. Well, we can take that. We can go over here. We can plug that in, right? The other thing that we can do here is we can go to aistudio.google.com. In the meantime, whilst waiting for that to load, and we can go to start. And then I'm going to describe what I want to do, which is take my YouTube thumbnail and reverse the colors on it, plus give me 3 alternatives of the original image. All right. We'll hit build like so. And now we've got the thumbnail generated from this thumbnail generator. And I'm going to see what we get back on this tool that we actually build out right now, live before your eyes, my friends. So let's see what we got here. And we're going to test this out. All right, so we're waiting for that to load. And you can see this is beginning to code out. So it's creating a nano banana powered app. That's what we want to do. I'm actually going to make sure that we do that. So it should be nano banana powered. That's the API we want to use for coding this bad boy. And the other thing that we can do whilst waiting is we can actually, for example, take an image like this, right? Take an image like that. We can copy it and we can go straight into Nano Banana here. If we click on create images on the drop down, paste in the thumbnail that we want to do, I'm just going to say reverse the colors on this. And then once we're building out the tool, we'll get a reverse image of the colors on this. And then I'm going to turn it into a thumbnail. Now, this is pretty useful because, for example, let's say I've got a YouTube channel here. We're generating thumbnails every day. It gets expensive, right?